Usually Shadow's neck goes out on the right. I felt his C2 before. Yeah. This is where it is usually.
Poor cat. Shadow, do you like
likes
it?
Yeah.
Have you ever tried the other side?
No, because I go based on what I feel.
Can't that ready with us? Guys.
We got Shadow. Poor little black cat getting adjusted. Look at his eyes of evilness. Now it's cuteness. Now we're back to
He's like a
ninja.
panther.
Yeah.
You okay, Shadow?
Ninja of the dark.
Yeah.
He looks like a blob of darkness.
That's why he's a shadow. You can't see him in the dark.
How can I see him?
He's in a plain spot.
Yeah, it feels good. I don't feel any of that muscle spasm anymore.
Like there?
Does he have a problem there? In the middle?
Shadow,
he
do you have a
does.
problem? We're not.
Why do you think so? Have you felt it?
You never done it to him.
I mean, the neck is the most important part. Really. He's like, what's going on, guys? What is your dad doing? This is called motion palpation, Shadow.
I would like this.
He's like, I like it.
Ooh, look at, I can feel his sacroiliac joint right here.
His hand is laying down. He's like, I'm chilling, guys. Chilling in the
He's
air.
not chilling when he gets adjusted.
What the?
I give you
Is it like a business deal?
Wait, let me shake it.
Some cat treats. $10,000 for some cat
I think
treats?
he's good.
Yeah, thank you, bro.
Nothing is jumping out.
Daddy.
Shadow thinks he's in a hammock right now.
So you're in the hammock?
Alright.
I want to